Hello. So I hadn't done this for a while, and I was like, I thought, what the heck? Because I've got a plethora of different breweries and Zest to showcase them. What is it? So let's go from right to the left. On the camera. Anyway, purchases at Londus in Weymouth. Yonder, and £1.99 for Yonder beer. What? It's close to date. November last year. Still £2 a bottle for a Yonder beer. So, and two from Jurassic Brew House, the Poke Chips Milk Stout, and the Smolder Draft, which is a rush beer. Moving on quickly. The next lot was purchased via the Copper Street Brewery in Dorchester. Looking at it. They were a brewery in the same area as where the bottle shop is. It's beautiful cell. Anyway, this is the Surrey Brewery in Tallinn, Danish Usler. It's a triple New England IPA. It's a collaboration with Omega Brewers from Estonia. 10.2%. From Sin Abbas Brewery, it's their Gert Coconuts Rum Stout, which is bottled via Copper Street Brewery. From the Weoberly Brewing Company, their Black and White Mocha Stout. A lot of these breweries I haven't had before, so I'm looking forward to them. And finally, the Copper Street Brewery Dark Ages, their Vanilla Porter, 5.5%. Yeah, excellent. So, next one was, I went into the wine shop just around the corner from the Copper Street Brewery. Purchased Gale 59 and the Elderberry Stout, 7.3%. The IPA, 5.3%. Went into Weymouth. There was like a herbal shop, but it stocked beers and stuff like that. Try to remember the name of the. Just 1 second. See if I can get it. 1 second. Yeah, it's been a nice day. There we go. Chalbury, Dorset Gifts and Ampers, and it sells Dorset produce. Great selection of ciders in there and beers. But I purchased a local cider, the Lulworth Skipper. It's an elderflower cider. 2 beers from Gale, their Nettle IPA, 5.3%, and their Gipper, which is a ginger IPA, which I thought they're two unique beers, and I thought I would try it. And I've been wanting to try Gale 59 because recommendations and such. I went to yesterday Awood Wines with Brett White from Beardy Beer Reviews. Purchased Drop the Anchor, I think they're called. Yeah, Drop the Anchor Brewery. They had a few sections of other beers, but I had that last night. They were alright. And a cider, Dickie's Dribble, medium sparkling cider. Stopped off at Waitrose yesterday to get the Dark Star Creme Brulee, which everyone's been kindly with Little Woods, and I purchased the Fuller's Oakage No. 2 Orny Glow, which I was going to get yesterday, but I'm like, no, I don't want it, but I got it. I like stout. Went to Majestic Wines in Dorchester. It's been, like I said, I've been in all these, trying to remember all these places. Got the Jurassic Brew House and their Origin IPA. And from Curious Brewing out of Kent, the Cuvée IPA. Now, I said I met Brett, so we did a beer exchange. I gave him some beer. Hey, give me some beer. He gave me 8 Arch Charlie Doesn't Play Piano Peanut Butter Brown Ale from 8 Arch Brewing Company. I did last night. It was okay. Also give me Red Cat Mr. M's. It's a porter. From Winchester, Hampshire. Give me a vintage beer, 2018 edition of Creedence Camos Imperial Stout, 10.5%. And we give me some whiskey. It will give. It says he's not a fan of whiskey, but yeah, Dimple whiskey, Scotch whiskey. A beer glass from Drop the Anchor, because he knows how to collect beer glassware. And to finish off, a petrol can of the Priest Whole Porter, which I'm going to crack open now. I've never drank from a petrol can before. Not too sure about it, but let's have a look. Slightly murky, oily, not much Ed. Now, why they sell it in such a way, but anyway. So little brambles, blackberries. So like herbal notes. Anyway, cheers. But he's medium. Slight cloying aftertaste. They sound quite well actually. Can't pick up taste those. Kind of get like a oxo taste. It's not bad. These kind of residue on the back of your palate. But yeah, this is for different choices. So I'm looking forward to trying all these new breweries to meet. Thanks again to Brett, and I'll try and remember all this. I'll put in the information so people can check out the shops I mentioned. I have another glass for my collection. It's pretty cool. Until next time, you take care. Goodbye.